Within the next 5 to 10 years, traditional encryption standards may become breakable by quantum computers. But what will remain safe and what is already at risk today? In this video, I'll explain it clearly and simply. I'm Ruben, founder of Capsyra, and today we're looking at what you should already be doing to prepare for the post-quantum era. If you missed our previous video about quantum computers and what you really need to know, click right here. So, what this video is about? Every single day we rely on cryptography, visiting websites, storing and using passwords, Wi-Fi networks, online banking, VPNs, cloud systems, identities, security applications, it's everywhere. Quantum computers are extremely good at solving complex mathematical problems, and that very mathematics is what our cryptography is built on. Within 5 to 10 years, quantum computers may be able to break the algorithms we currently rely on, and that makes one thing essential. Data stolen today can be decrypted later. Harvest now, decrypt later. But not all cryptography is equally vulnerable. Some techniques remain relatively safe, and others become practically useless. So let's break this down. The first thing is symmetric cryptography. The most well-known example is AES. Fun fact, it was developed in Leuven, Belgium. Symmetric cryptography uses the same secret key for encryption and decryption. The good news is that symmetric cryptography remains mostly safe. There is one nuance: Grover's algorithm. It gives quantum computers a quadratic speedup in brute force attacks. So in simple terms, a classic computer needs 2 to the n steps to brute force a key. A quantum computer needs 2 to the n divided by 2 steps. So the solution? Use longer keys. AES 256 remains secure even in a post-quantum world. The second one is asymmetric cryptography. This is where the bad news starts. Asymmetric cryptography uses 2 keys, a public key for encryption and a private key for decryption. You rely on this for digital certificates, identity and access, code signing, key exchange, secure communication, file encryption. And some examples of them include RSA, ECC and Diffie-Hellman. All of these algorithms can be broken by Shaw's algorithm. Why? Because RSA relies on factoring large integers, and ECC and DH rely on discrete logarithms, and Shaw's algorithm solves these problems exponentially faster than classical computers do. This makes key size irrelevant. No matter how large your key is, it remains vulnerable. And the solution is quantum-safe cryptography. NIST has now published its first set of post-quantum standards. These algorithms are based on lattice cryptography. They are efficient, quantum-resistant, and they work on existing hardware. You do not need a quantum computer to encrypt or decrypt them. Quantum computers are still in their early stages. We don't know how fast they will evolve, and that's why we need crypto agility. Crypto agility means that your systems must be able to quickly replace cryptographic algorithms as the standards will evolve. Because algorithms will change, keys will need renewal, and standards will be updated and changed as well. So a hybrid approach may be required, but migrations can take years. So for long-term data protection, like archives, backups, cold storage, crypto agility is essential. Data that must remain secure for 10 or 20 years must evolve with future cryptographic standards. So, what do you need to do today? Well, every crypto algorithm that has something to do with logarithms or factorization, like RSA, Diffie-Hellman, and so on, are all affected by Shor's algorithm. They need to be migrated to post-quantum safe encryption algorithms. Groover's algorithm impacts only the symmetric and the hashes, but as long as the keys are long enough, we're safe. But it's important to know that in large IT environments, you need several years to migrate safely, and we might only have 5 until the first quantum computers pop up. So start today. Quantum computing will break a part of our cryptography, but certainly not all of it. With the right decisions today, you can remain secure tomorrow. If you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. We'd love to explore them. Subscribe so you never miss an episode.